You're listening to the BTEC podcast with Mr. B. Welcome to the BTEC podcast. So today I'm going to be talking about speed and agility testing in BTEC PE. Make sure you're following me on social media. I'm on Twitter, Facebook and Instagram. So Twitter, there's regular updates of new videos coming out and what I'm working on. Instagram is kind of me documenting my training at the time. So you'll be able to see a lot of these BTEC PE fitness components, training methods being used every day in real life. Now today we're starting looking at speed and agility testing. So you need to think about what sports, what type of coaches are going to want to test speed of their athletes and performers. So a lot of invasion games require different elements of speed during games. Obviously 100-meter sprint is a raw measure of a participant's speed as well. So you need to link that together. So the sprint test, the 35-meter sprint test, just measures speed. The participant performs 3 sprints with an adequate rest in between and is recorded by 3 separate timers. So the timer starts the stopwatch when the participant starts running. This is different from a 100-meter race where a gun would initiate the start of the run. So in this 35-meter sprint test, the person being tested will decide when they're ready to actually start, and the timers just react to that. So an average of the 3 times is recorded, and then the fastest of the 3 sprints is then analysed. So what happens after the testing is that you need to interpret the results using a comparison table. You could also see examples of this sprint test being performed on my YouTube channel. So moving on to the Illinois Agility Run. Okay, so this is a test of speed and agility. This test is performed indoors with cones to mark the layout of the course. The participants start lying face down with palms flat on the floor with the head in line with the starting line. They then complete the course as fast as possible on 2 occasions using the fastest time to compare to normative data. So both tests are pretty simple to perform. You don't really need lots of specialist equipment, quite accessible to lots of schools and sports teams. And you can see some really good examples on my YouTube channel of both tests. So that summarises both speed and agility tests. Catch me later for more BTEC PE fitness tests.